Economist Washington ke merotra ulaong bakarai jong ka US Supreme Court kalaban ay jingmyntoi ya ka khai pateng ha ka perthei bat kumjuru ya kari India. Ula ka daw baki jingye kren jingye te kular ka India hakalyang ka jingye di etiet kidang ya chakmat. Bat kini karai kalaban ay jingta ya ka jingye kren khai pateng kibadang ya chakmat habdeng kini ki artali kiri.
Because please appreciate that as far as India is concerned, the trade negotiations are still underway. There is only just an interim agreement that has been, or interim joint statement that has been issued. And there was a lot of pressure and bullying, in fact, that the United States was engaging with. Please understand that India had accepted an 18% tariff when that we will, for all our exports, we will be paying 18% tariffs, though not on pharma products or on phones. But we had also accepted that their goods will be supplied to India on a zero tariff. So we were actually at the receiving end, and this was not very good. We had also agreed, unfortunately, that we are committing to buying some $500 billion worth of goods over the next 5 years. How this was going to be realized is anybody's guess, because we currently import only about $40 to $45 billion worth of goods from the United States. So buying $500 billion worth over a 5-year period means that we would have had to increase per annum to about, on average, $100 billion. That's 2.5 times increase. So all of this can be put off, honestly, and the negotiation should be dragged out for the following reason. Because it's not just that the position of the United States government, it's a negotiating position.